हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल एग्रीकल्चर एजुकेशन अड्डा। इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे एनएससी नेशनल सीड कॉरपोरेशन के सीनियर ट्रेनी पोस्ट के लिए 2019 में पूछे गए क्वेश्चन पेपर और उनके सॉल्यूशन। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ब्रेड व्हीट हैज सोमैटिक क्रोमोसोम नंबर ऑफ। ऑप्शन इज 2n is equal to 14, 2n is equal to 42, 2n is equal to 28 and 2n is equal to 56. So correct answer is 2n is equal to 42. Next question is triple test cross is an extension of. Option is top cross scheme, NCD2, line cross tester scheme or NCD3. So correct answer is NCD3. Next question is HUW234 is a variety of. Option is P, rice, wheat, arhar. So correct answer is wheat. Next question is when a single cross hybrid is crossed with an open pollinated variety, it is termed as. Option is top cross, test cross, double top cross, three-way cross. So correct answer is double top cross. Next question is the simplest form of progeny selection is. Option is recurrent selection for GCA, mass selection, year to row method or simple recurrent selection. So correct answer is year to row method. Next question is which of the following three generation system of multiplication is followed for seed production in India? Option is breeder seed, foundation seed, certified seed, nuclear seed, foundation seed, certified seed, breeder seed, foundation seed, registered seed, nuclear seed, registered seed or certified seed. So correct option is breeder seed, foundation seed and certified seed. Next question is self-pollination increases. Option is homozygosity, heterozygosity, heterogeneity, homogeneity. So correct answer is homozygosity. Next question is complementary gene action gives phenotypic ratio in F2. Option is 9 is to 3 is to 4, 9 is to 7, 15 is to 1 or 12 is to 3 is to 1. So correct answer is 9 is to 7. Next question is germplasm is also called. Option is gene pool, genetic resource, gene bank, world collection. So correct answer is genetic resource. Next question is the source of reduced height RHT gene used in wheat is. Option is Norintane, Tom Thumb, Norintane and Tom Thumb or Diju gene. So correct answer is Norintane and Tom Thumb. Next question is generally cereals are deficient in. Option is methionine, lysine, tryptophan, proline. So correct answer is lysine. Next question is barley mutant high proly has. Option is high protein and high lysine, low protein and high lysine, high protein and low tryptophan, low protein and low tryptophan. So correct answer is high protein and high lysine. Next question is pulses are generally deficient in. Option is methionine and lysine, tryptophan and methionine, tryptophan or lysine. So correct answer is tryptophan and methionine. Next question is in typical monohybrid cross genotypic ratio in F2 will be. Option is 1 is to 1, 3 is to 1, 2 is to 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2 is to 1. So correct answer is 1 is to 2 is to 1. Next question is in wheat RHT3 gene is derived from. Option is Norintane, Kalyan Shona, Tom Thumb, Norinate. So correct answer is Tom Thumb. Next question is the chromosome number 2n of potato is. Option is 38, 48, 40, 42. So correct answer is 48. Next question is allopolyploidy is found in. Option is banana, Raphanobrassica, grapes, sugar beet. So correct answer is Raphanobrassica. Next question is trisomic R. Option is 2n minus 1, 2n plus 2, 2n plus 1, 2n minus 2 plus 2. So correct answer is 2n plus 1. Next question is progeny of nuclear seed is. Option is certified seed, foundation seed, registered seed and breeder seed. So correct answer is breeder seed. Next question is DNA is polymer of. Option is amino acid, nucleosides, nucleotides, none of these. So correct answer is nucleotides. Next question is nullisomic is represented by. Option is 2n minus 1, 2n minus 1 minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n plus 1. So correct answer is 2n minus 2. Next question is synaptonemal complex develops during. Option is leptotene, zygotene, pectine, diplotene. So correct answer is zygotene. Next question is the unit of mutation in a gene is known as. Option is hotspot, muton, cistron, recon. So correct answer is muton. Next question is ergot is a designated disease of. Option is bajra, wheat, pigeon pea, sugarcane. So correct answer is bajra. Next question is in seed technology, year means. Option is type of inflorescence, type of seed, vigor testing method, none of these. So correct answer is type of inflorescence. Next question is R line is used for. Option is hybrid seed production, development of haploid, breeding insect resistant varieties, maintenance of male sterility. So correct answer is hybrid seed production. Next question is the dormancy of seed is due to. Option is genetic factor, physiological factor, physical hindrance, all of these. So correct answer is all of these. Next question is maximum genetic purity is found in. Option is foundation seed, certified seed, breeder seed, nucleus seed. So correct answer is nucleus seed. Next question is the germination in onion seed is. Option is apigeal, hypogeal, viviparous, none of these. So correct answer is apigeal. Next question is genetic purity of the seed is tested by. Option is tetrazoleum test, grow out test, dormancy test, moisture test. So correct answer is grow out test. Next question is in which of the varieties 3 lines are required? Option is CSII1, Aparna, HD2288, Amber. So correct answer is CSII1. Next question is in which one of the following crops fermentation method of seed extraction is followed? Option is wheat, cauliflower, onion, brinjal. So correct answer is brinjal. Next question is the ancient method of seed storage at village level was. Option is earthen pot, gunny bag, beans, polythene bag. So correct answer is earthen pot. Next question is tetrazoleum test involves physical action, chemical action, biochemical action, all of these. So correct answer is chemical action. Next question is composite seed are produced in. Option is carrot, mung bean, castor, sugar beet. So correct answer is sugar beet. Next question is brookids are serious store grain paste of. Option is mustard, sunflower, pulses, onion. So correct answer is pulses. Next question is scutellum is found in one of the following seed. Option is okra, barley, mustard, brinjal. So correct answer is barley. Next question is sulfuric acid diluting is done in. Option is jute, linseed, cotton, mesta. So correct answer is cotton. Next question is reflorets are found in the family. Option is cruciferae, malvaceae, compositae, gramineae. So correct answer is compositae. Next question is one of the following seed is albuminous. Option is chickpea, castor, wheat, oats. So correct answer is castor. Next question is in quality seeds our primary concern is with. Option is endosperm, embryo, seed coat, all of these. So correct answer is embryo. Next question is ear cockle disease in wheat is caused by. Option is insect, nematode, virus, fungus. So correct answer is nematode. Next question is maximum hard seeds are found in the family. Option is cruciferae, gramineae, leguminosae, solanaceae. So correct answer is leguminosae. Next question is which one of the following is the botanical seed? Option is sugarcane seed, potato tubers, chickpea grain, Napier slips. So correct answer is chickpea grain. Next question is development of seed without fertilization is called. Option is parthenocarpy, androgenesis, apomixis, apogamy. So correct answer is apomixis. Next question is coleorhiza is found in. Option is mustard, oats, chickpea, berseem. So correct answer is oats. Next question is which of the following is not essential for photosynthesis? Option is O2, CO2, light, chlorophyll. So correct answer is O2. Next question is identify the weed of family Gramineae. Option is Phalaris minor, Cyprus rotundus, Chenopodium album, Melilotus alba. So correct answer is Phalaris minor. Next question is which of the following fertilizer has highest content of nitrogen? Option is urea, diammonium phosphate, anhydrous ammonia, ammonium nitrate. So correct answer is anhydrous ammonia. Next question is identify 2:1 expanding type of clay mineral. Option is montmorillonite, illite, caolinite, vermiculite. So correct answer is montmorillonite. Next question is which element induces disease tolerance in plants? Option is nitrogen, sulfur, calcium, potassium. So correct answer is potassium. Next question is which is the scientific name of black gram? Option is Phaseolus aureus, Phaseolus mungo, Pisum sativum, Phaseolus vulgaris. So correct answer is Phageolus mungo. Next question is potato plant belongs to which family? Option is Graminae, Compositae, Solanaceae, Malvaceae. So correct answer is Solanaceae. Next question is which micronutrient is commonly used in the rice in India? Option is manganese, zinc, boron, iron. So correct answer is zinc. Next question is in which plant parenchyma cells are found? Option is berseem, rice, oats, cotton. So correct answer is rice. Next question is which of the following crop yields oil also? Option is oat, barley, maize, jowar. So correct answer is maize. Next question is the instrument used to measure humidity of air is? Option is hydrometer, hygrometer, lysimeter, lactometer. So correct answer is hygrometer. Next question is which method of soil moisture determination involves a larger volume of soil? Option is neutron probe, tensiometer, resistance block, gravimetric. So correct answer is neutron probe. Next question is which is the salt tolerant crop? Option is pea, rapeseed, potato, cabbage. So correct answer is rapeseed. Next question is origin place of bajra is? Option is Europe, Africa, Japan, China. So correct answer is Africa. Next question is IGFRI3 is a variety of? Option is jowar, bajra, hybrid napier, cowpea. So correct answer is hybrid napier. Next question is application of gypsum is recommended for cultivation of? Option is bajra, jowar, groundnut, wheat. So correct answer is groundnut. Next question is when to irrigate wheat crop if only one irrigation is available? Option is 20 to 25 day after sowing, 40 to 45 day after sowing, 60 to 70 day after sowing, or 100 to 110 day after sowing. So correct answer is 20 to 25 day after sowing. Next question is the rate of transpiration is measured by? Option is Ganong's spotometer, manometer, tensiometer, or electron microscope. So correct answer is Ganong's spotometer. Next question is Vardhan is a variety of? Option is Lucerne, Guar, Sengi, Berseem. So correct answer is Berseem. Next question is white bud of maize is due to deficiency of? Option is iron, manganese, zinc, molybdenum. So correct answer is zinc. Next question is rotation of crops with 2 or more years of sown pasture is called? Option is relay cropping, lay farming, multiple cropping, mixed farming. So correct answer is lay farming. Next question is intercropping system with trees in association with food crop is called? Option is aqua-silvicultural system, agro-pastoral system, agro-silvicultural system, alley cropping. So correct answer is alley cropping. Next question is which element is maximum in black soil? Option is nitrogen, phosphorus, potash, sulfur. So correct answer is potash. Next question is which is the following crop is acid sensitive? Option is paddy, oats, sorghum, soybean. So correct answer is paddy. स्टूडेंट्स इस एग्जाम में टोटल 70 क्वेश्चन ही एग्रीकल्चर से होते हैं और रेस्ट 30 क्वेश्चंस मैथ्स, रीजनिंग, जनरल नॉलेज, जनरल साइंस और इंग्लिश से होते हैं। सो आप सेक्शन बी में वे सभी क्वेश्चन और उनके आंसर्स देख सकते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स अगर आपने वीडियो को अंत तक देखा है तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और ऐसे ही नॉलेजफुल और इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए।